Hello everyone, my name is Abbey Gertrude and I'm going to talk about Microsoft Excel errors and how to fix them. So in this video I'm going to show you the different types of Microsoft errors and how to fix them. So I'm going to come here and type Excel. So for Excel I'll come and tap here, so they will bring for me Excel. Just need to be patient. So I'm going to open the blank space. So here I'm going to show you the first thing we are going to, the first error we are going to see. So I'm going to bring this is our first error we are going to bring. This comes when there is not enough space of writing the values. So I'm going to do it to show you practically. I'm going to come here and write customers, then I'll come and write here sales. Maybe I'll write here dates. But in this work I'm going to make sure this thing, wait, I'm going to make sure this thing for sales is too small. So I'm going to come and write Ben as our first customer, then I'll write Tom, then I'll write Joy, then I'll come here and I write maybe a team. So here I'm going to come and write our values, which is 2589. Then so on entering they will bring for us this, meaning our space is too small for us to get this. So you see, let me give you again and we see if so if I say go to the next person, they will bring for me this. So how to solve it? By creating more space like this, so whatever you have written comes back. So thank you. Let's go to our number 2 is the hash name, which is going to be the hash name. So we are going to the hash value error. So I'm going to come here. It was name but I've shifted it to value. So I'm going to come here and I write my digits and this. So I'll come here and write 344. Then I'll come here and write 2 what? Then I'll come here. So I'm still writing values. I'm going to leave these last 2 unnamed. So I come here and I write their, maybe their totals, just for our examples, totals. So I'll come here and I'll come here and I'll say equals, then I'll get this, then I'll subtract minus this. So you see, then I'll slope down. Sorry, I'll pull this down from here. I'll pull this. Why isn't it pulling? No, I thought I forgot to enter. That's why it wasn't pulling. So I come here and I pull this down like this. So our PC will count these spaces as 0. So what if I come here and I say missing? I write a word missing in the text, maybe missing, then I'll come here. So you see they bring for us hash values. It's like mixing values, numbers with words. So it brings for us hash text. Then I write here any word, greetings. Then I'll go to my next. So that is also hash value. So hash value comes about like that by mixing the texts. So you have all seen this is hash value and how it comes about, and how to solve it is by removing maybe these names. That's what I think, by backspacing them. We go back to our normal. That's how we remove them. So we are going now to our next one, which is going to be, we are going to our next, which is hash name. So let me first remove these totals, we don't need them. So hash name is actually using the wrong function name to enter data. So when I say equals, then I will come and say add. So I will say add, then I will come and click this. You see, they will bring for us hash name, meaning I used the wrong name to enter this data. So when I come here, how to solve it is by using the correct name. Then I will say equals, then I will say sum. I will come there and say sum, then I will tap on this and this, and then I will enter. So that's the way we use the hash. So that's the way we use the hash to solve the hash name problem. Those are our values, so they have come. So our next is hash ref. So our next, as I said, it is hash ref. So let me try to come back to this work, and I backspace and remove this which I don't need. So for hash space, I'm going to come, I will just come and say equals hash ref, then I'll get this, then I'll subtract minus this, then I'll say enter. So this is the values they have brought for us. Then I'll come here, then I'll get here. Hash ref is actually got by deleting the values. So let me show you how it's going to look like. It's going to be like this hash ref. If I'm wrong, then we shall all fail, but it's going to look like that literally. So hash ref is deleting the number which was subtracted. Like you said, 2 minus 1 is 1. So when I delete 2, it will bring for me hash ref, because the number we used to subtract has been deleted. So I'm going to come here and I will highlight this, and I will sorry, so I'm going to come here, highlight this, then I'll come here, then I'll delete. That is our hash ref. So how we can solve it, I think, is just you backspace. I have backspaced, so that's how we get our hash ref. So our last one is hash div. This one is got hash div, which is going to be like this, if I'm not mistaken. Hash div. So hash div, we are going to get it by dividing a number by 0. Let me show you. So that's our last video, our last example under Microsoft errors. So I'm going to get this. Okay, let me first say equals. I will say equals, then I get this value, then I will say over 0, then I'll say enter. So you see they have brought for me hash div stroke 0. This is the mistake we have made. So by how to solve it is by using a number, a normal number. Maybe I will say equals, then I will get this, then I will say over, maybe a 2. So you see, this is how they have brought for us. Let me see. They have helped us to divide all our numbers by 2. So thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.